In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clockify with Clickup. We'll set this up using Zapier, which connects your apps so work moves automatically between them. By the end, you'll have a workflow where events in Clickup can create or start time tracking in Clockify without you lifting a finger. Start by heading to Zapier and either signing up or logging in. A zap is Zapier's word for an automation made of a trigger and an action. Give your zap a clear name so you can recognize it later, like Clickup to Clockify time tracking. Begin by choosing Clickup as your trigger app. This is what tells Zapier when to run. Common reliable triggers include new task created or task status updated. Pick the one that matches your process. For example, if your team logs time when a task moves to in progress, choose the status update trigger. If you want time entries as soon as tasks are made, go with new task created. You can usually narrow it down to a specific space, folder, or list, so you only track what matters. Connect your Clickup account and authorize Zapier. Make sure you select the correct workspace and have the permissions needed to access the tasks you want. Zapier will usually pull in a recent sample task that helps you map fields accurately in the next steps. Now set the action app to Clockify. This is what Zapier will do after the trigger fires. You can create time entry to log a block of time, start timer to kick off a live timer when an event happens, or create project if you want to mirror new ClickUp projects in Clockify. Choose the action that fits your workflow best. Connect your Clockify account and authorize your workspace. Double check you're on the right workspace if you belong to more than one. Customize the workflow by mapping fields. A common setup is mapping the ClickUp task name to the Clockify time entry description, so everything lines up in your reports. Map project to project to keep data organized and map assignee to user so the right person gets the entry or timer. If your naming differs between tools, consider using defaults or clear labels so nothing breaks when a field is missing. Run a test. Zapier will send sample data from Clickup to Clockify so you can confirm the entry or timer appears as expected. Check timestamps, project names, and the assigned user. When everything looks good, turn the zap on. From now on, Zapier will listen for your Clickup trigger and update Clockify automatically. Keep an eye on your Zapier task history the first few days to make sure everything runs smoothly, then enjoy hands-free time.